Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Mustang after Mustang after Mustang. But yo, I don't know if you guys can see me. We're on our way to the 4th spot right now, 4th spot, and I'll see you guys there. Yo. Sponsored by Home.
Special edition members only shoes.
Put it on eBay. Yo, you know,
that's on my fucking bike, dude.
Look at this.
Yeah.
More valuable. More valuable, bro.
My bad, dog.
More valuable. Yes, sir. All right.
That's on my shoes, bitch. Watch out.
Shoes never abused. Damn. Right now. Whoa.
Oh, dude, they're like brand new. Damn it. Alright.
W, right this here for the Honda. You don't get the Honda no more.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. shit, yo, he came out of nowhere. No, I feel so bad. No fucking way. Yo, no fucking way. That happened right in front of me. Do it. And
I
as soon
literally
as
was
he
like,
did it-
damn, everyone's pressing him, and then as soon as he
Yeah.
did it.
Guys, we're here, 5th and final spot of the night. There are cops like literally right over there, like literally on the other side of this building. There's 2 cops sitting on the grass. This is like a bad fucking idea, like a really bad idea. Like those cops are gonna come real quick once they see all these cars, because they saw all these cars pull up and come in through there. So watch, I'm calling it. 2 cops are gonna come right in that entrance and bust everybody.
A few moments later.
What did I say? What did I say? I fucking knew it. I literally said it. They were gonna come in and ruin every. Oh shit! They were waiting. Yo, they literally just kicked everybody out. And that cop, pretty sure is gonna make sure everybody goes away. I literally called it and said that these cops were gonna come. Like, they were literally sitting there. They saw all these cars coming in. Of course, they're gonna call a couple more cops to come and help them. Like, this was just a stupid spot. Dude, this cop is pissed. He's kicking everybody out of Wawa. Like, that's Wawa over there, that gas station. He's dead ass kicking everybody out. Yo, I'm going back home and this is what I see. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for tonight's video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment down below what meets you guys want me to go to. Subscribe if you're new. Also, before I go, please drive safe. That last clip that you guys saw, I was literally driving home from the meet and I saw that. I feel so bad for the guy, for the kid, because he was super mad. I would be too. That car looks like it's a total loss. No way he's driving that ever again. So yeah, please drive safe, be careful. I go to these meets for fun, but still be safe, drive safe. But that's gonna be it. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.